Hi friends, good morning. Today let us discuss the possibility cases in syllogism. If the conclusion is all boys are singers, case 1, we are discussing case 1. In case 1, if the conclusion is all boys are singers, let us examine the it will have two possibilities. Let us discuss those two possibilities. See, here the conclusion is case 1. This is case 1, friends. If the conclusion is all boys are singers, then let us examine the possibilities. See, A is equal to set of elements 1, 2, 3. B is equal to set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is equal to, let us see the second case. B is equal to set of elements 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. Here in the first case, all A are B, but some B are not A. In the second example also, all A are B, and all B are A. All A are B and all B are A. In the first case, all A are B. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. All A are B. But some B are not A. Some B are not in A. Here in the second case, all A are B and all B are A. So, for A-type conclusion, we have two possibilities. That is, if all boys are singers, then the two possibilities are some singers are not boys, some B are not A, some singers are not boys. That is one possibility. And the other possibility is all singers are boys, all B are A. So all singers are boys. So for A-type conclusion, it will have two possibilities. What are those two possibilities? The first possibility is some singers are not boys is a possibility. All singers are boys is another possibility. It will have two possibilities. If the conclusion is all the cats are rats, all the cats are rats. What are the two possibilities? Some rats are not cats. Is one possibility. And the second possibility is all rats are cats is another possibility. So that thing you have to remember. A-type conclusion will have two possibilities. Those two possibilities are some rats are not cats is a possibility. It is only a possibility. It is not a valid conclusion. It is only a possibility. It is not a valid conclusion. What is the valid conclusion from this end? All cats are rats means some rats are cats. That is a valid conclusion. But if you take the possibility, all rats are cats is a possibility. Some rats are not cats is another possibility. Okay, friends. Now let us see second one. This is first one where the conclusion is all boys are singers. Where the conclusion is all boys are singers. If the conclusion is some boys are singers. If the conclusion is some boys are singers. If the conclusion is I-type conclusion. If the conclusion is I-type conclusion, then we will have four possibilities. See friends, some boys are singers. Say suppose in a class of 40 students, some particular 10 boys are singers. I know that these 10 boys are singers. And I don't know about the remaining 30 boys. So I can't definitely say that the remaining 30 boys are also singers. So some boys are singers means I know some particular 10 boys are singers and I don't know about the remaining 30 boys. Maybe the remaining 30 boys are also singers. Then what happens? All the 40 boys are singers. So that is one possibility. Some boys are singers. If the conclusion is some boys are singers, all boys are singers is one possibility. Let us see the second possibility. See friends, some 10 boys are singers. In the remaining 30 boys, some boys may not be the singers. So, if some boys are singers, some boys are not singers. These not singers. In the remaining 30, some boys may not be singers. So, if some boys are singers, some boys are not singers. So, the second possibility is some boys. This is a possibility, friends. This is a possibility. Some boys are not singers. Is a possibility. So some boys, if the conclusion is I-type, we will have four possibilities. First possibility is all boys are singers is a possibility. As I said now, some boys are singers. Out of a class of 40 students, some 10 boys are singers, that I know. And maybe the remaining that I don't know about the remaining 30. Maybe the remaining 30 are also singers. Then what happens? All the 40 boys are singers. Then I can conclude that all the 40 boys are singers is a possibility. All the boys are singers is a possibility. If in the remaining 30, some boys may not be singers. In that case, what should I say? If some boys are singers, some boys are not singers. Is a possibility. So we will have two possibilities like this. And another two possibilities are. See friends, if some boys are singers, you can write some singers are boys. Some boys are singers and some singers are boys. Both are same. Just they are the conversions of each other. So some boys are singers means it is automatically mean some singers are boys. So if the conclusion is some singers are boys, you can write another two possibilities. That is number 3 possibility. Some singers are boys means all singers are boys is a possibility. All singers are boys is a possibility. And fourth possibility is like this. See, some boys are not singers. Like that, some singers are not boys. Some singers are not boys is another possibility. Is also a possibility. So I-type conclusion will have four possibilities. Some boys are singers. If the conclusion is some boys are singers, then you can take into consideration four possibilities. What are those four possibilities? All boys are singers, one possibility. All singers are boys is a possibility. Some boys are not singers is a possibility. Some singers are not boys is a possibility. Altogether, you can have four possibilities for I-type conclusion. See, if some tables are chairs. This is the conclusion. You got this conclusion. Say suppose if the given two statements are I and A, from I plus A, you will get I-type conclusion. That is, say suppose some tables are chairs. This is the conclusion what you have. From this conclusion, you can have four possibilities. What are those four possibilities, friends? All tables are chairs is a possibility. All chairs are tables is a possibility. Some tables are not chairs is a possibility. Some chairs are not tables is a possibility. Altogether, for I-type statement, you will have four possibilities. And next one, O-type conclusion. If the conclusion is O, what is the format of O? Some A or not B. If the conclusion is some boys are not singers. This is the conclusion you have. From this conclusion, you can write three possibilities. See, the first conclusion is see, some boys are not singers. So the remaining 30 also may not be singers. Then you can write no boy is a singer. No boy is a singer. And if no boy is a possibility, friends, If no boy is a singer, then no singer is a boy. If boy is not a singer, then singer is not a boy. So, if no boy is a singer is a possibility, then automatically no singer is a possibility. No singer is a boy. No singer is a boy. Is also a possibility. And third possibility. Some boys are not singers. See, A is equal to set of elements 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some B are not A. Type. Some B are not A. If some B are not A, then all A or B is a possibility. All A or B. Even though some B are not A, all A are B. All A are in B. So if some boys are not singers, then all singers being boys is a possibility. So for O-type conclusion, For O type conclusion, the reverse A, that is all singers are boys. The reverse A is a possibility. See here also the reverse, this one. Some B are not A means some all A are B. Some B are not A, all A are B. So if you take this one first. Some B are not A. Some B are not A, but all A are B. All A are B. So some boys are not singers means all singers are boys is a possibility. For O type conclusion, the reverse A, all singers are boys. All singers are boys. All singers are boys is a possibility. So like that you can have three possibilities. You can have three possibilities for O type conclusion. And if you don't have any conclusion, fourth type. If you don't have any conclusion, anything is a possibility. Suppose for E plus E, you don't have any conclusion. For A plus I, you don't have any conclusion. For I plus I, you don't have any conclusion. In that case, if there is no conclusion, anything is a possibility. I shall write one example. Suppose I am writing I plus I. Some boys are singers. And some singers are dancers. This is I plus I combination. For I plus I combination, you don't have any valid conclusion. That is, you don't have any conclusion between boys and dancers. Actually, we don't have any conclusion. What we are telling, if you don't have any conclusion, then anything is a possibility. Between boys and dancers, you can say any possibility. Like all boys are dancers is a possibility. All dancers are boys is a possibility. Some boys are dancers is a possibility. Some boys are not dancers is a possibility. Anything, any possibility is accepted if there is no conclusion. The same thing happens in case of A plus I also. For A plus I also, you don't have any valid conclusion. In that case also, you can say any possibility between these two terms. So that is when there is no conclusion. So we have seen four types of possibilities. If the conclusion is A type, you can have. You can see the conclusion is A type, like if the conclusion is A type conclusion, you can have two possibilities. What are those two possibilities? All singers are boys is one possibility. Some singers are not boys is another possibility. You can have two possibilities. If the conclusion is some boys are singers. Here you can have four possibilities. What are those four possibilities? All boys are singers is a possibility. All singers are boys is a possibility. Some boys are not singers is a possibility. Some singers are not boys is another possibility. So altogether you can have four possibilities for I type conclusion. If the conclusion is I, you can have four possibilities from this I type conclusion. Four possibilities. And third one we discussed O type. Some boys are not singers. Some boys are not singers. If the conclusion is O type, you can have three possibilities. Some boys are not singers means no boy is a singer is one possibility. If no boy is a singer, then automatically no singer is a boy is another possibility. And third possibility is reverse A. That is all singers are boys is a possibility. That is we can have three possibilities. And fourth one, if there is no conclusion, like I plus I combination, E plus E combination, A plus I combination. In those combinations, you don't have any valid conclusion between these two terms. In that case, anything is a possibility. That is fourth one. These are the possibilities you have. Tomorrow we shall see the problems on complementary pair. In the previous video we discussed complementary pair. Here in this present video we have discussed possibility cases. So in these two topics, let us do 10 to 15 problems in tomorrow's video. And I tell you one more thing. All these possibilities are given in your description box. Go to description box. After opening the video, you go to description box. In the description box, I have clearly mentioned the possibilities for various conclusions. If the conclusion is A, what are the possibilities? If the conclusion is I, what are the possibilities? If the conclusion is O, what are the possibilities? If there is no conclusion, anything is a possibility. So all these things I have mentioned in the description box. You please go to description box and note down all the possibilities and see once again. If you don't follow, you once again see the video and you can easily understand. Okay friends, have a nice day. Thank you very much. And I once again request you please subscribe to my channel if you are not already done. Okay friends, have a nice day. Thank you.